Niguo kugomania mabataro ma arutwo othe thukuru-inĩ cia muthingi, JSS na secondary mwaka uyu, kigina kiria kiendekithitio kuri Ministry ya Githomo ni muigana wa shilingi bilioni 36.3. Ona kuhanora uguo, KAMITII ya MBUNGE IGII GITHOMO ni tumurite ciuria cia mutaratara uria ukoretwo ukihuthika ukinyaniriria-ini wa ugai wa kigina giki, kuona thengia ya gukorwo gigicerithirio kwa ihinda iraya, arutwo matikoretwo makiamukira muigana uria wagiriire.
The approved rate of capitation in secondary schools is 22,244. But for the last 5 or so years, schools have never received 22,000.
22,000 is a promise. You only deal with what hits your account. If 2,000 comes to your account, budget with the 2,000, wait for the next allocation. Bwana CS, that is the unwritten policy of the ministry. Tell the cameras that, let the head of institution know that, let the principals know. There is nothing like 22,000.
MWAKA THIRIKARI ikoretwo igitigia THIRI wa mathukuru, Minister wa Githomo JULIUS OGAMBA agitariria KAMITII ino ati mwaka uyu tu thirikari inyihitie kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo na shilingi bilioni 7.5, kuona hari shilingi bilioni 36.3 iria ciendekithitio. Ministry ya Githomo yamukirite shilingi bilioni 28.8 tu.
Like this financial year, we have a deficit of 22 billion.
The question that we are grappling with as a ministry is, what do we do with it? But even as we are grappling with it, we are still not getting the figure that we are budgeted for from the exchequer because it's not enough.
Ambunge riu marenda Ministry ya Githomo kuheana ITHABU IKINYANIRU ria THIRI uria ukoretwo ugicokaniriria o mwaka.
We've not done us from our end a figure that we can say this is the actual pending. I didn't come with that figure, that's why it's not in my statement. But Honorable Mbui has indicated 64 billion. It could well be the correct figure.
Hari mbeca iria igayagirwo arutwo thukuru-ini cia muthingi shilingi 76 ikoragwo cigitwo keheri ni undu wa mahuthiro ngurani ari hamwe na mathako. KAMITII ino igitumura ciuria cia uria mbeca ici igayagwo, kuona shilingi 40 hari o murutwo itigagwo wabici-ini nene cia Ministry ya Githomo, na uguo o murutwo agakinyirwo ni shilingi 36.
Why don't you remain with 10 shillings because you are very few, or even 5 shillings, and then let the rest go to the counties and it will actually assist this?
So this money never reaches the schools. It is eaten here at the regional levels and by the regional directors, and we have evidence.
KAMITII ino irekwa gutikoretwo na waragania thiini wa ugai na mahuthiro ma mbeca iria igayagirwo Ministry ya Githomo, makiendekithia kugie na giikaro gia guthurima weru kigina giki kuringana na mabataro ma o murutwo na gucaria kihonia kia mathiri maya, garama iria yaya gutambirio aciari na gutumura kiuria gia kana thirikari ni koretwo ikiheana githomo gitari marihi.
That education is free and compulsory. We need to look at it as Kenyans and agree how much is free.
Handu-ini ha KAMITII TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.